This is the Yasin Hamas RPG. It has a 2-tandem warhead charge, one at the front and a follow-through bomb at the back meant to destroy tanks. We will also be analyzing the most common RPG found in the battlefield. We'll look inside the launcher, what happens when the operator pulls the trigger. It is here the firing pin ignites the nitro squib, activating the rocket propulsion system that propels the grenade along its path, all in the video ahead, so stay tuned and don't miss a beat. Each of these 105mm rockets costs $200. The Al-Qassam brigades have pointed out that the 105mm rockets features a 2-layer tandem warhead. In the front section of the missile, it'll find the first charge, also known as the precursor. Positioned at the rear is the second charge, another precursor in the system. The armor-penetrating precursor, which is the first charge, is responsible for initiating the sequence. It activates by forcefully projecting a jet of scorching hot metal, serving as the initial step in the explosive process. Following this, the second explosive charge, or the follow-through charge, is activated. This charge then detonates, resulting in a powerful explosion within the target. Step 1. The RPG operator loads the assembled artillery into the front end of the RPG launcher, aligning it with the trigger mechanism. Step 2. After the RPG operator pulls the trigger, here's what happens. The mechanism releases the firing pin, which strikes the primer of the rocket projectile inside the launcher's tube. The impact of the firing pin on the primer creates a spark, igniting the squib of nitro. This, in turn, activates the rocket propulsion system or sustainer motor, propelling the grenade along the remainder of its trajectory. Step 3. The built-up gases generate a force that propels the grenade out of the tube at a speed of approximately 384 feet per second, which translates to 117 meters per second. Step 4. A socket in the breech block helps reduce recoil during firing. Exhaust gases exit to the rear of the launcher unit, allowing the operator to immediately reload the weapon. Step 5. Once the booster propels the rocket out of the tube, the fins on the rocket open up to stabilize its flight path for its intended target. Step 6. Remember the warhead or grenade we talked about earlier. This is how it works.